Hey beautiful! So today I will be creating this look for you right here using the Anastasia palette that everyone has been going crazy over. So I was lucky enough to get two. So one is mine, one is your guys's. So I was lucky enough to get two. So of course I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys. So I will leave the giveaway rules down below. Make sure to check it out. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, continue watching. Okay, so this is how it looks. Turn it around, has the ingredients, has a cute little palette right there. Okay, so you take it out. Oh my, sorry. So you take it out, looks like this, really nice, feels really soft. Okay, so this is it up close. Look how freaking beautiful, right? It's like, yes. And then it comes with the brush, it's double-ended, so it has this blending side and then it has this side. So yeah, now we're gonna be twinning. I'm so excited. So let me zoom you guys in and let's begin this makeup tutorial. Oh, okay, about my eyebrows. I told you guys yesterday that I've been using this serum. It's been helping it, and it is this serum right here. I did receive it. No, I'm not sponsored or anything to tell you guys about it, but I did receive this a while ago and I wanted to give it like a full review. Tried it and then I was like, you know what, it's not working. And then one day I finally was like, you know what, I'm so tired of like everyone roasting my eyebrows. So I applied it and you know what, you guys, it's been working a lot. Like my hairs have been growing in really good, like really good. I've been of course trimming around here, but right here and here they've been growing really good. So that's what I've been using. Okay, so first we will be priming our eyelids. When you prime your eyelids, it helps keep the eyeshadows on. It makes them pop even more. And yeah, just makes everything look nice. Just how you prime your face, prime your eyeballs. Eyelids, my bad. Okay, so I had to redo the eye look because there's no matte shades, like a white or vanilla matte shade. So like my whole eye was like shimmery. So I will be using the Paris Hilton contouring palette and I want to use this shade right here. I'm going to use that shade to set my primer just so that everything just glides on like butter. So for my crease, I will go in with this shade right here and I will be using the Morphe E28 brush. We'll be going in with this color right here and we're just going to buff that in the crease as well. Okay, so I like the way it's coming along. It's looking really pretty. Using this really pretty burnt orange shade, we'll be applying that in the crease as well. Okay, so now we're gonna apply this shade right smack in the middle. Okay, I just feel like this will make it pop even more. So I will be using ColourPop Birthday Girl. And we're just going to add that right smack in the middle on top of the shade. And it's just so freaking pretty. So I'm going to add that. And to make it a little bit darker, I will be using tape because I feel like it helps build up the color on the edge. Okay, so now moving on to the face. I did purchase a new foundation. This is the Sona Kashuk. I know I said that wrong. And this is the Soft Focus Satin Matte Foundation. I grabbed this shade. What shade did I grab? I think I grabbed the shade Bamboo. They don't really have like any testers. They don't have any testers for like you to see like, oh, this might be my shade, this might be my shade. So I kind of eyeballed it and I was like, I hope this is it. So one of the Fam Bam members said that this was her go-to foundation, that I was gonna love it. So I'm like, okay, let's see. So this is how it looks. Has a pump. I like how it looks. Has like a matte semi-finish. Okay, so now for primer, I will be priming my nose with the Smashbox Photo Finish. Holy crap, I'm tongue-tied today. So I will be applying the Smashbox Photo Finish, and I will be applying it to my nose because my nose, my chin, and my forehead are get really oily. For the rest of my face, I will be using Milani, and this is the Prime Perfection. Okay, so I will be applying that to the rest of my face. Okay, let's hope that this is my shade. Shaking it really good, and let's apply some pumps to the back of my hand. I don't know, we'll see. I'll zoom you guys in. Here's my face and my hairs. So this is how it looks. Oh, it smells pretty good. Foundations normally don't smell good, but this is like, has like a fragrance to it, like a scenty perfume. Okay, so here it is, and let's just dab it on my face. I think it's gonna match, you guys. I think it's going to match. I think it is. Oh, and it smells really good. Watch this irritate the hell out of my skin. I hope it doesn't, because it smells good. Yeah, I think it covered me pretty good. Okay, so this is the foundation side. And then this side is no foundation. See? So I think it covered pretty good. Boom. Boom. Yeah, even on camera you can tell. Okay, so I'm gonna add a few more pumps because my face is pretty big. Okay, so that was really nice. Like, it had like a really nice texture to it. The smell was amazing. Like, I cannot get over the smell. Like, right now my face smells really good. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it wasn't like a foam or anything, but it felt really velvet on the face. Like, even right now it's not bothering me. That's on my face. It just it has like a nice finish to it. It's like really nice, and it says soft focus satin matte foundation. I like the way it feels. Like, holy crap, you guys, like, it feels really good. Okay, now to contour and like highlight. I'm not gonna go heavy with all of it because I really like the way it looks. Hopefully I don't go all heavy with it. Okay, so now using my Measurable Difference palette, and I will be picking up this shade right here, the darkest shade. Oh, my face smells amazing. So if you really don't like smell or anything on your face, or like you're really sensitive to that, this wouldn't be for you because you can really smell it. It smells delicious, but you can really smell it, which I like. Okay, that just looks like a shit stain. Like, I didn't even blend that right. Okay. And let's add it here. And I've been really loving the Kat Von D concealer. I have to use it again. You guys, it's really easy to like blend underneath your eyes and stuff. It's like really good. I really like it. It's, yeah, really nice. Let's, oop, crooked ass nose. Okay, and forehead. And then Cupid's bow. Okay, so now to contour, I will be using my Profusion contouring palette. This is like the best. I love it. These two shades right here, we will be contouring. Okay, so now for my under eye, I will be using the Milani Shadow Eyes, and this is Brown Deluxe. I love using these because these are smudge proof, and my eyes have like wrinkles right here, so I tend to have whatever I have in my waterline transfer to my bottom. So with this, it's smudge proof, so it doesn't move, and it's extremely pigmented, which I love. So we will be applying this to the bottom. Okay, now using this really deep, pretty pink, I will be applying this underneath my bottom lash line. Okay, so now for blush, I will be using my Baked Milani, and this is 06. 06. Okay, so I still have my ColourPop haul to do, but I cannot resist this. This is the ColourPop Hello Kitty Super Shock. It says, hello, pretty. And this is the highlighter. So I got this on their Black Friday deal. And this one is School is Fun. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see how beautiful this looks. I cannot wait to put it on my cheeks. Not my butt cheeks, my face cheeks. Look how pretty, okay? And then I'm gonna swatch. Oh, it's so buttery. Oh, hell to the yes. Okay, so for my lips, I will be applying the Frick and Frack by ColourPop. Okay, so I did use setting spray, but the camera died. So while I was charging, I just put my hair up, got it out of the way. Still curly from yesterday, so I'm still trying to rock it. But this is the end of the makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated with my videos. Te quiero mucho. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, make sure to hit the bell down below and that will notify you. There's just this weird YouTube change. So if you guys do want to get notified, just make sure to hit the bell down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Te quiero mucho, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.